What's up, YouTube? Today I'm fixing my Onslaught statue. It's been months overdue. So large stone goes here and Wolverine's claw goes right under there. It's a sad, long story, but I was actually trying to clean my house and I dropped a shelf on it. That's how broke it. I still think this looks great without it, but hey man, I gotta get my guy back to normal. Also, I will be posting my figure collection and rearranging this shelf display very soon. So here we have the special guest, mini headless Onslaught. We have a few rock pieces from the base. We have this Wolverine claw, and we have some good old Gorilla super glue. The claw is a very simple fix, but these stones are the challenge, and this one has a huge crack. Sit back and vibe while we get this fixed.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time.
Man, doesn't that add so much more presence? It feels good to have that claw back. I think that broken stone blends in too. Here's Onslaught with his red skull head sculpt on. Personally, I think it looks too small. I love that paint job though. A few chips, but still good. Be sure to check out my statue unboxing video. And here we have the entirety of Onslaught. We got Magneto and Professor X. And no more mini headless, just mini Onslaught. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.